Hey everyone, welcome back to the mailbag. Today I'm going to teach you how to perform some micro refinements to your harness fit. Right here I'm going to demonstrate on an Action X30 and I'm going to use the Petite shoulder straps, but this could apply to any of our shoulder straps. Now you do this micro adjustment if you're maybe a tinkerer and just want to find a better fit, but also for smaller torso people who are using the small harness setting. Perhaps when you open your pack, you're experiencing that the zipper hits the bottom of the strap, or you need to manually move it out of the way. Now how you can avoid that is simply by adjusting how the Velcro is secured to the mounts. So I'll show you on this one so we can get a direct comparison. Before we determine that is an issue for you, you want to make sure your load lifter straps are nice and snug. They should be sized when you're actually wearing the pack. Now when we do that, you can see that it pulls up the base of the strap quite a bit. So let's take apart this one so we can get a pretty good visual comparison here. Undo the strap. Now we want to secure both attachment points. So instead of having them aligned perfectly, we're going to shift it down, and just for this demonstration I'm going to go halfway, and then we'll do the next piece also so it aligns at the top waypoint. Then we'll squish it down a little like this, lock the zipper down, and now you can see right here it clears the track now, and while this one still has a little overhang. When we open this, it's still going to catch this one because we haven't adjusted that, but when we get to this point it just slides right through. So I think visually that's pretty clear on what it does. So I'll just quickly do the other side. Now you can see how quick and easy it actually is to do. And there you go. If you have any questions, feel free to post a comment. This little tip actually started through our YouTube comment section. We are here to help you if we can find a solution if the bag's not fitting perfectly, or for any of the questions you have. Once again, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, etc. We will see you next time on the mailbag. Take care.